the money dream. Hot trade, what's your strategy? Hot trade, come and trade with me. Hot trade, places, let's go. Hot trade, we're making that dough. Hot trade, watch the market soar. Hot trade, come on, give me more, give me more. Hot trade, always set your stop limits right. Hot trade, no more slacking, trade all night. Hot trade, it's on fire, blaze the shouts loud. Hot trade, stay green, make the crowd proud. Hot trade, what a monster, nice pop. Hot trade, don't let the gain stop. Hot trade, from Canada to worldwide. Hot trade, come along for the ride. Hot trade, always have your own plan. Hot trade, ladies is the trading man. Hot trade, it's a pump and dump, beware. Hot trade, for the thrill, if you dare. Hot trade, it's cooking beautiful, he says. Hot trade, wild nights and trading days. Hot trade, this is business, no more slacking. Hot trade, join the fun, there's no backing. Set your stop limits right. Hot trade, no more slacking, trade all night. Hot trade, it's on fire, blaze the shouts loud. Hot trade, stay green, make the crowd proud. Hot trade, what a monster, nice pop. Hot trade, don't let the gain stop. Hot trade, from Canada to worldwide. Hot trade, come along for the ride. Hot trade, always have your own plan. Hot trade, ladies is the trading man. Hot trade, it's a pump and dump, beware. Hot trade, for the thrill, if you dare.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Has to come out in AI drag. Let's go. You like it, Dave? Yeah. Good morning, River. I like it. It's good. 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 We're gonna have to play that again because people are gonna be like, "But I missed it. I missed it." Good morning, Wes. Good morning, Azul. Benjuli, good morning. That was cool, Wes. Yeah, I like it. That was very cool. Bob, ciao, ciao. Good morning. Giovanni, good morning. Good morning, A. Good morning, War. Good morning, TK. Good morning, JT Strong. Good morning, Lion. In a suit and take a guest. Yeah. Yep. Fair and balanced. Good morning, Jay. Good morning. Yeah. That was cool. That was very cool. Kenny, good morning. Devin, good morning. Yi, good morning. Bob, I said hi already. Set. Yeah, Spice cooking. Look at that thing. I mean, like, Joe, Keto Joe, welcome to Legends. Let's go. Regina, good morning. Dylan, good morning. Ham, good morning. Sky, good morning. I know, Wes. I had to put it on there for you, you know. I saw that thing moving and I was like, oh, wow. Hello, Nas. Doche, good morning. Mohammed, good morning. PJ, good morning. Love the intro. Good. Claudia? Yeah, it's a very cool song, actually. Very, very cool. So that song was made by SUNO. SUNO. So shout out to SUNO. La 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 la. Okay, perfect. Let me just make sure my other stuff is set up here, and then we should be good to go. Perfect. I mean, like the S&P, yeah, I'll take a look. I'll take a look. Like we've had some. We've had some. Let me just copy this link here and send it over. La, 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 la. There we go. I mean, like this entire run, we've had on the S&P for the last 6 months. Like it's been pretty nice, but I also don't think we've had we really haven't like gapped up like most mornings, right? We open up a bit of a gap up and then we run all day long. So this is pretty impressive that it's gapping up like this, right? So good data came out. Someone from the Fed also said like they're planning on, or they should be laying out like groundwork to start cutting in September. So I bet you that's why the market is cooking this morning, right? So like if the Fed is gonna cut rates, the market is gonna cook. Alrighty, and there it goes. Oh my days! Look at the size of that candle. Sheesh! There goes new highs. So we also have the Fed meeting today, guys, at 2 p.m. So 2 p.m. is when the minutes come out, the statement comes out, and then Powell is on at 2:30. It's the same every single time they do it. It never changes. Alrighty, so 2 p.m. and then 2:30. Eastern time, that is. So hopefully they don't screw it up, because if they screw it up, the market is gonna get slapped so hard. Um, but yeah, I think we're just gonna pump now, which is not a surprise to everybody. I think everybody was hoping that the fact that we sold up before today, hopefully we can pump with go up. That's impressive. That's very impressive. I mean, the high yesterday was 547.34, so obviously we're breaking above that high. We're gonna open at 550. Nice volume. I'll take a look. Good morning, everybody. You bought puts? Oh my days. Yeah, when you play with options for SPY the day before the Fed meeting, it's always a bit. It's always gonna be like a bit of a gamble. You know, a bit of a gamble. Total. Is that your? There you go. Yeah, you need to switch your account, Grim, because that's pretty silly. Yeah, TK. Hopefully, it wasn't a big position though. Hopefully, it wasn't a massive position. This one just looks like it's going straight to the abyss, doesn't it? Like it did really well in the morning, right? I guess it had the pump. It failed at a well-known like supply level, right? That's why these supply zones are really important. That's why the algo is really important, right? Because they kind of predicted that it would, So again, whenever you get to that red zone like that, you want to be very careful, right? That thing basically went from the bottom, from the demand zone to the supply zone, and then said thank you, no thanks, right? Now it's approaching that demand zone again. So um, yeah, let's see what happens. Alrighty, into the open here. So that's the second gainer. The top gainer this morning is NCNC, right? So let's see. Here we go. So yeah, NCNC. This one looks a bit better, doesn't it? The only concern is actually no, not anymore. I'm gonna take a look at Newsy. Newsy was number one, but let's see which one is number one before the market opens, okay? Because that might be the one that gets destroyed as usual, the curse, right? NCNC doesn't look bad though. It's still giving us higher lows. It just has a double top at like 33, 34 cents. So I mean, if it can maintain like this little higher low pattern, then that's fine. Alrighty, so stay above 25 cents there. Stay above 25, get back above 30 cents, and then push back to 34 cents, hopefully. So that's that one there. And then Newsy. I know you guys have questions about Newsy, but I'm not actually sure what your questions are. So let me know what the question is. Who asked that question? I want to scroll back up here. Let's see. Dazed? Yeah, absolutely. Again, just give me some details, guys. Yeah, because when you say just look at this stock, I'm like, okay, what am I looking for, right? So give me some details. I'm looking for an entry. I'm in already at this price, and stuff like that. For some reason, my charts are really slow this morning to load. I wonder if it's because I did a reset. I wonder if that's because. Um, but anyways, yeah. So Newsy really isn't doing much. It's below all of these moving averages. Sayuri, good morning. Jimmy, good morning. Humble, good morning. Right, so let's see if that thing can find a way to stay above like 5.95, or I mean, just stay above $6. And if it can, then that's completely okay too. I don't mind, you know. Yeah, it's a bit of a sus moaning, but I also think it's for a reason though. I think with the markets, like, ooh, maybe Newsy can actually finally curl up $6 here. I think with the Fed meeting today, and then also the fact that the S&P is gapping up like that. The fact that the S&P is gapping up like that, I think it's playing a part in these like smaller cap names, right? Usually when like the big boys are pumping, the little boys and girls of the stock market, so these ones usually kind of relax and watch for a second. So I bet you that's playing a part in all of this. Again, with the Fed meeting today, like all of that stuff usually takes precedence. So LSH, yeah, it's a nice pop LSH. Is the S&P still going, guys? Yup. So someone was asking for PRST. I mean, to me, good morning, Alan. To me, stuff like this, honestly, like you let it run up and you take your gains and move on quickly, right? It's a penny stock. It's absolute garbage, right? So absolute garbage. So but again, you can still make monies in it though when the volume comes in and it has attention and blah blah blah. You can still scalp it, right? But you don't want to be sitting there and saying, "Oh, but it's going to go to 20 cents. It's going to go to $1." No, the only thing that's going to happen with PRST is that they're about to do a split or get delisted already. So that the names like that, of to like watch the momentum come in on the breakouts, jump in, make your monies, and move on. Quick monies and move on. Um, you hate it, yeah, you should, right? So you should, you should. L is this one on the right hand side. That's PITA, right? So PITA. You guys were asking for this one in the morning. It obviously had multiple runs and then went to the abyss and then came back up and then went to the abyss again. There's a bit of support at like 485, and then below that you're looking for 465 ish. Alrighty, so those are the two levels I'd be watching. We haven't this morning. We haven't been below like 465. So if you can stay above 465, then that would be perfect. The S&P looks like it's stalling a little bit there. PMEC, so PMEC looks like it's also very weak. So no signs of like anything there. Newsy does look a lot better though, right? Newsy is really curling up that. I'm just gonna really curling up the of that $6 level there. Do. Newsy. Yeah, not a bad little curlies there. Right, so let's see if we can actually stay above the 9 and the 20 now, and the 200s already. See if we can actually find a base. MHW and MHUA. It kind of looks like it's like it's gonna find support above $1.20 kind of, which isn't bad, right? No catalyst here, so you want to be very careful with stuff like that. NCNC looks like it's just sitting in the demand zone for now. So, like I said, again, watch for that 24 cent area, 25 cent area. If you can stay about 25 cents, cool. If not, you're looking for the test of the 200 EMA at 22 cents. So those would be your next two levels to watch. You made some monies on Newsy. Nice, Banjuli. I like it. I like it. I like it. Let me look at the what time is it? Okay, we have 14 minutes before the market opens, so plenty of time. Um, Looking at what the hell is going on. I just like look using this site for just not like anything important. Just I just want to see like what's on top. And it's easy for me to show you guys. You know. Otherwise, we could use better sites, but sometimes it likes to act up as if. Yeah, you made six, sender. Oof, my goodness, congratulations. That's a really nice gain. Very nice gain for you. Yeah, so if we can stay about 25 cents, I think it's still you're looking for FFIE. Sheesh. Hopefully FFIE, honestly, like FFIE. Hopefully this thing can run again at some point. That would be cool. I mean, it's actually held up quite well, you know? Like it's held up quite well. It's up 20% this morning. So that's not bad at all. It hasn't gone back to 5 cents, which is where it came from, which is nice. You know, yes, it went to like $4, but still, it was at 5 cents. Um, I'm not sure what you're looking for. You're most likely looking for an entry, aren't you, Christopher? Yeah, that thing for some reason just exploded to 46 cents early this morning, so it might be something to watch today. Yeah, if I was looking for an entry into this, Christopher, I'd be looking for like the next little dip ski there to 35 maybe, and just see if it can bounce off 35 and curl. If it does, then nice. Only invested a little bit, Giovanni. That's okay. Christopher, yeah, it was. Yes, it's a really nice bounce off the demand zone. Let's see. Last night, but went back down already. Oh, they had news last night. Oh yeah, I see that 3 hours. Oh yeah, I see the update. Oh yeah, 10 hours ago. Almost like an earnings thing, like an update. Interesting. Very interesting. Looking for 35 cents or lower. Yeah, exactly. So same boat. Same. Same. But yeah, no, the S&P gap up this morning is quite impressive. Like all of these names are absolutely crushing it this morning. Do I not like Newsy? I do. Like it's just not doing anything, right? So again, like I said, if it can find a way to stay above like between 5.95 and $6, that might be a nice base there for UWZ. So if it can stay above it, then that's fine, right? But yeah. Honestly, none of these stocks like really stand out to me. Yeah, none of them really stand out as like, oh, this is gonna be the name today. Usually we know. Like usually there's two names. We're like, yep, it's gonna be between this one and this one. This morning, with FOMC and the S&P gapping up and the large cap crushing it this morning, I think everybody's just looking at this and at these names and saying, no thanks. Also, there's no news. There's no solid news today, right? These companies know when the Fed is coming, they're not about to drop news, right? So then their efforts can get destroyed. So yeah, they know what they're doing. So Lakeside, did you play with this one? Did you play with this one, Jaspreet? Yeah. So it's gonna need to ooh yeah, that was nice. It's gonna need to give you a nice little breakout there though at 420. That actually doesn't look too bad. Oh, these guys actually had news, yeah. Yeah, not bad actually. Yeah, the candles seem like crazy because look at the wicks on these things. Like it's all the way up, all the way down, all the way up, all the way down. Like the wicks are crazy. Virus and thrust. Let's go. But yeah, so $4 to 420 seems to be a bit of a problem, which is usually a common level, right? 420. Uh, Ayo, Joe, welcome to Goats. Welcome. I think you scheduled a one-on-one, right? I think so. Uh, la, 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 la. I'm just looking. So that's the 26. Uh, okay, sounds good. Sounds good. Yeah. So you're like you're scheduled for the 26th, right, of August. Okay. Yeah, I'll message you next week, anyways, and then yeah, you said you're available Monday, right? So that should be okay. Hopefully, hopefully. Yeah, next week. Next week. Good morning, chef man. Good morning. Jaspreet, what did you get into? What did you get in at? What did you sell at? For LSH. Yeah, we had a one-on-one yesterday, right, Jaspreet? Because I know there's two people with the same name, which is crazy. Uh, uh, okay, perfect. Set that up. NITO. Looks like that thing wants to break above 420 though, doesn't it? You got in at 310. Okay, well done. You sold at 391. Ooh, perfect. Well done. Congratulations. Yeah, I see exactly what you got into. Well done. Well done. Did we have a one-on-one yesterday, Jaspreet? Good morning, Eric. Let's go, guys. Let's go. I like it. I can look at, yeah, we did. Yeah, I like it. Honestly, I keep telling people like to invest in themselves and they think we're joking. Like I look at this chart and I'm like, and Jaspreet is like, I got in at 310 and I'm like, yep, that has signatures all over it. That has a goat signature all over that entry. Because that was absolutely perfect. Right? So when we say become goats and invest in yourself, we're not even kidding. Right? He got in at a pretty sweet entry. Exactly what we talked about yesterday on that call. From the bottom on that curl up, straight to resistance. And then he said, thank you, goodbye. Perfect. Give me a high five, Jaspreet. That's right. It's only up from here. Only up. Only up. So membership paid for. One trade. All the monies. Anyways, moving on. So that looks good. That looks good. So the only concern here is you have all of that resistance. Yeah. I can see sunshine. Yeah, like honestly, if you succeed in trading, like if you end up succeeding, anybody, just a general message, if you succeed, like or anybody that's new to trading, your goal should be finding a strategy, not being lucky, right? Because today you're lucky, tomorrow you're not. Today you're lucky, tomorrow you're not. You can't do that for 6 months. You can't do that for a year. You can't do that for 10 years, right? So Bitcoin is more like a commodity, not a currency. Interesting. You know what I mean? So you have to find a way to get a strategy in place, right? This is my strategy. This is what I'm using. Blah 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 blah. Right? I can do this consistently all week. I can do this for 10 years. I can do this. So you have to invest in yourself because that education will pay for the next 10 years, right? So it is what it is, right? We have people that are like lifetime members and they've almost paid out their entire lifetime membership in a month, right? So what about like the next 3 years membership free forever, right? So anyways, so let's see what happens here. $4.20, guys. Beautiful play there, Jaspreet. Beautiful. Congratulations. Keep doing it. Stay disciplined, right? So again, when you get in at 390, 310, and you sell at 390 and you just made 80 cents, right? Most of the time when you get in a play, you can tell that the play isn't working within 10 cents, right? So again, take small losses, make big monies, right? I'm okay making 80 cents, and I'm also okay losing 10 cents, right? So manage your trades properly and you're going to be absolutely okay. Alrighty, so it all starts with discipline and all the other stuff. Anyways, there goes a nice little break. Even though it hasn't really closed the candle yet, that thing is looking nice, right? Exactly, Azul. Exactly, right? People work hard to be lucky on a regular basis. Exactly, right? Exactly. So, exactly. Uh, yeah. La 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 la. 910 candle. 910. I have no. Oh, like I'm not sure what you mean. Luck won't pay your bills. No. No. So, yeah. So that candle hasn't closed above 420 yet. It looks like it will at some point, but let's see. MHUA, guys, looks like it's finding a base, right? Looks like it's finding a base around like $1.15, $1.20. So that's not horrible, right? If you're working hard at it, exactly, Josh, exactly. Like you have to put in the effort, right? You have to put in the effort. um, have to put in that effort. So, like I said, the market is one of those. Initially, like the market is one of the hardest things you will do, not because it's hard, because of your emotions, right? So your mind is your biggest obstacle. So you have to constantly put in the work. Uh, yeah. Yep. When early exits. I'm happy when you make money, Jaspreet. So forget about early exits. Just make monies, please. Also, the only thing that you could have done here differently is like that thing is just holding the 9 EMA. Like from the bottom, it's holding the 9 EMA the entire time. So you could have looked at that and said, okay, maybe I'm okay, right? But it's still failing at 420. Like clearly, there's resistance up there, and it's still failing. So this is one of those cases where you're using like a psychological resistance level. But again, it's still holding the 9 EMA though. The blue line is still holding. So you could have looked at that and said, you, that's fine. Yeah, exactly. Very nice play, Josh. So yeah. What stock am I looking at? Can you guys see the ticker symbol on the right hand side? Let me know if you can't. I know sometimes like if you can't, you just have to change your video quality on YouTube's. 610, you can line. Thank you. The S&P looks like it's dipping there finally. PITA, I mean, it looks like like I said, Jeff, as long as it stays about $4.65, then you should be okay, right? You're in at $6.10. Jeff, I'm not sure why you held that thing from 610, right? You gave that thing way too much room. How did you go from 610 all the way to the abyss there? You know what I mean? So, there goes MHUA, slow bounce there for now. That's not looking too horrible, so we're going to keep an eye on that. This one looks like it's NCNC is retesting the 200 there, so let's see if it actually bounces. Newsy looks horrible. PRST not looking too hot. PITA with a nice pop there, Jeff, so this might be your chance, right? As long as it stays above 465, you're okay. The S&P with a nice little pop at the open as well. And then this one again, so LSH is still stalling. I know the market just opened, guys, but we're going to play a nice little intro. I was supposed to play this before the market opened, but I'm just going to play it now. And then we can get back to the open. Okay, cool? Cool.
Hot trade, building you to the scene. Hot trade, riding the money dream. Hot trade, what's your strategy? Hot trade, come and trade with me. Hot trade, place it, let's go. Hot trade, we're making that dough. Hot trade, watch the market soar. Hot trade, come on, give me more, give me more. Hot trade, always set your stop limits right. Hot trade, no more slacking, trade all night. Hot trade, it's on fire, blaze it, shouts loud. Hot trade, stay green, make the crowd proud. Hot trade, what a monster, nice pop. Hot trade, don't let the gain stop. So pump and dump beware. Hot trade for the thrill if you dare. Hot trade, it's cooking beautiful, he says. Hot trade, wild nights and trading days. Hot trade, this is business, no more slacking. Hot trade, join the fun, there's no backing.
Yeah, I'm just gonna end it there because there's like 30 seconds left on it. But anyways, yeah. So that song that's fire, isn't it? Um, so Chew Dip in Discord did that using Sono. So credit to Sono. Um, yeah. Uh, Perfect. There you go. Drake who? Let's go. Fun, isn't it? I was quite impressed. Anyways, so it looks like we really curled up that bottom zone there, doesn't it? Yeah. So off $1.20. Yeah. Yeah, that was a nice little curl from the bottom actually. I thought about a signal off the bottom, but I just never did it. That would have been as too hmm, yeah, because that was actually quite nice. Nice little 20 cents there for now. Yeah, beautiful bottom there. That demand, if you look to the left hand side, that's the same level it's coming from, right? So that would have been perfect actually. Anyways, on to the next one, right? So Newsy looks like it's dropping into a demand zone at 560. So if you're playing with Newsy, hopefully it stays above 560 there. The S&P still looks, I mean, like even though it's selling off, it's still quite high. So let's see what happens with this one. Alrighty, and then LSH is still not giving up for that 420. So maybe it's actually going to break out this time. Let me pull up some other charts here because I really don't want to watch the S&P. We need to get back above like 450, 550 for the S&P. Let me take a look at TW, OU, and then yeah, because that one looks like it's stalling at resistance as well. And then AIU. Plenty of content of me in who, where? No. No, no, no. And there goes another 420 fail, guys. So clearly that thing has so much resistance there that it doesn't want to break above. And that's fine, right? So that's why we stay away from these things unless they're actually breaking out. Same thing with TWOU. Like clearly it's hitting resistance and it's not breaking out, right? MHUA looks like it's backing off as well. Newsy looks like it's perfect off that demand zone as well. So nice little bounce there. Nice little bounce. NCNC just looks like a problem, doesn't it? So I mean, at this point, just watch for 20 cents. This one, watch for 20 cents. Yeah, we want to be very careful with like entries this morning, especially with the Fed meeting today, because everything just kind of looks like a pump and dump, doesn't it? Yeah, low volume. There goes Newsy with a nice pop. That thing's at 660. Thank you very much. So Newsy and MHUA look like the only ones that actually are performing today, kind of. DALN halted up. Ayo, Raven, good morning. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Yeah, this is one of those mornings where like we're a bit all over the place. Right, Newsy with a really nice pop there, actually. Yeah, I think we've had two stocks this morning that have like gone to a really nice area, Newsy and MHUA, that we've slacked on for sure. So 560 touch, beautiful double bottom there. Beautiful bounce. You sold half of everything, Virus? Nice. Yeah, no, I'm not. I'm just keeping everything for now. Just keeping everything for now, Virus. Yeah, so with Newsy guys, just be aware that there's a bit of resistance when you get close to like 650. Alright, you're right where that view up is sitting at, so just be careful. Please, 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 just be careful. So $6.50. So you don't want to be FOMOing in around that area. Unless we actually break out and retest, then that's fine. Yeah, because when Powell comes on, not virus, it's gonna be a bit of an interesting time. So, whew, that's a nice gap up. My goodness, there you go, 660, $6.60. Hmm. These are some really nice gap ups on everything. 677. My entry was $10 GME. So what's your stop loss at? That seems like an invalid question, Days like you're in at $10.56. So what do you want to know? Like, why didn't you sell that thing in the 50s? Why don't you have a stop loss? I have so many questions. Newsy's halted up, by the way. Yeah, Newsy's halted up here. Newsy halted up. Halted up. They're starting to print today. Yeah, to me, GME has been quite. I mean, let me just look at GME. GME has done exactly what we talked about. Like, the low 20s to the high 20s, low 20s to the high 20s, constantly. So there's nothing new here. Like I said, it's gonna be a scalp for a long time, right? In that same range, unless it breaks above $30, and then okay, cool, pump it. My position when it was at 60. Oh, you did? Okay, nice. Should you re-enter? Like GME's been if you look at GME, anything close to 10 to like $20 is a nice little play. As long as it stays above $20, I don't mind. As long as it stays above $20, I don't mind. Why do I feel like this stock is going to end up breaking out, but we should actually wait for it to break out? LSH. Like it's just the way that it keeps coming back to $4. It looks like it's about to go to the abyss, but then it comes right back up. NCNC looks like it's holding 20 cents for now, so that's not bad. And then MHUA is just really slow, really, really slow. Oh my goodness, Jeff, did you sell this thing? Where's Jeff? Are you going to sell this thing, Jeff? Asking for a friend. Are you going to sell this thing? You've been saved, by the way. Saved. So that thing was at $4.80, all the way back up to almost $6, right? So I would be uh, yeah. Yeah, I mean, as soon as I say it, somebody dumps it. Look at that. We just went from almost $6 to below $5. Almost, Jeff? What do you mean almost? Unbelievable. I hope you sold it, Jeff. I really hope you sold it. Because somebody sold before you did. That stock does seem wild though, so it might end up again at $6, hopefully. Hopefully, like I said, as long as it stays above 465. Hush your mouth. Anyways, NCNC is still looking okay. Nice little curl of 20 cents. No, I didn't kill it. It was at resistance. That's why I was asking you, like, are you gonna sell that damn thing? It's right at resistance. Anyways, NCNC is looking good. Newsy is still halted at 677, guys. Yeah, so NCNC looks good. Beautiful curl. Beautiful curl. Okay, let's see here. And so this morning, but then, yeah, serve is going for $18. Yup. Server is just an absolute monster. It's an absolute monster. Yeah, eventually these guys are going to do that offering. Now that they have it opened, at this point, it's only a matter of time before they do it. So just make sure you're careful with this. But the stock has been a beauty, an absolute gem. So, an absolute gem. Oh, yeah, yeah. Yes, it did not. It did not, actually. It did not. Uh, Perfect. Oh yeah, this one's getting destroyed, isn't it? Woof. No signs of consolidation yet. So, no new. Okay, perfect. Yeah, yeah. So no signs of consolidation on this one. NCNC looks good though. You have a bit of resistance at 27 cents, by the way. NCNC, and then Newsy's on halted. Yeah, Newsy's on halted, and it's absolutely cooking. So on halted at 677, on halted above $7. So congratulations to anybody that's in that one. Congratulations to anybody that's in that one there. Actually, let's see. Mm, into the next range. Oh yeah, perfect. Let's hit the next range. You're done for the day? What done? What done, Kent? What done? This one might what done? I like it. Let me send you a little claps. Seriously, Mo. Seriously. Azules. Yeah, this one seems very slow, doesn't it? Very, very slow. BFI? Yes, absolutely. BFI. Ooh, that's a beautiful looking chart. Is that thing? No, okay. It looked like it was halted for a second, Wes. Sheesh. That's a very nice looking chart. A very nice looking chart. And there goes 69s. Damn, is it cooking? Can you actually break above 70 cents? Oof, there you go, 71. My days. Shish. Shish. Dude, this one seems very slow, though, doesn't it, guys? Very, very slow. We needed to kind of cook, though. And it's like, nope, nope, I don't want to cook. I think it's going up like 4 cents and then coming back down. 4 cents. Yeah, so it looks like 70 cents is a bit of an obstacle on that one there. Is that the actual, like, did you just find that? Like, is that the actual thing, like the company thing, or is just like a random thing you found? Veronica? Yeah. Come on, can we? I want this thing to cook so we can say mwah ha 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 ha. Can we do that? Mwah ha ha ha. I missed Azul. Ooh, October Gens. I like it, Azul. I like it. I propose you to start a dividend channel in Discord. Uh, if you promise if you guys promise to actually use it and post information and stuff like that, then yes, I will. Then yes. I think Tash mentioned that too. Yeah. Yes. General. Hang on, General. Oh, SUNO. I want to see, like, let me so Josh, I want to see if I get like a copyright warning on this one. Yeah, I see it. Yeah. Yeah, I want to see if I can get a copyright warning on this one, and then I'll be able to play another one. Because I gave them credit, which is what they wanted. Yeah, but I want to see if we get in trouble. Because I think what we need to do is, yeah. So like the free version, like they retain the rights. Josh, is what they're saying. Come on, give us a run here. Mwahahahaha. Newsy's at 750. Yeah, Newsy looks amazing. Newsy actually looks really good. That thing said, yeah, thanks guys. Send it. Woof, Newsy is cooking. Cooking Newsy. 760. That's a really nice push. Very nice push. Very nice push. 760s. Yeah. Yeah, let's see if we get in trouble. Yeah, that's what Dip was telling me, Josh. Yeah. 770, 780. Oh my goodness, 785, Newsy. Dang, that was a beautiful test at the open. That was absolutely perfect. Like that retest of that double bottom at 560, that was perfection. Because that thing's been cooking. If you're holding Newsy, type in yes in the chat. If you got into Newsy, type in yes. Okay, sounds good, Josh. Sounds good. 790. It looks like you have a problem at $8 there. If that's even resistance, you know. But that thing is really cooking. Cooking. I like it. Uh, yeah, Newsy really cooked. Cooking. uh, Okay, perfect. Yeah, it looks like that $8 was actually was actually a problem. Newsy. Is the S&P still sitting at what's SPY at now? Are we back to the highs of the day yet? No, not yet. I'm just gonna set an alert up there for the S&P. Nice test of the 200 though. Newsy looks like it's going back up here. NCNC, yeah, I just filled that 27 cents, guys. Not a huge surprise on this one, right? Yeah. 221, nice, very nice. La 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 la. 3 shares of what? Lucas, 3 shares of Newsy. Oh my days. Yeah, we need more ha 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 to go, guys. More ha 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 ha. 310, $1.10, Joe. Yeah, not bad. Make sure you put a stop loss, right? Put a stop loss. That thing is having a hard time. Like again, it's one of those things that we pick the bottom on, but for some reason it's having a hard time actually pushing with volume here, right? But we want to say more ha 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 ha. AMD really cooked. To not okay, sounds good. Like, where's the volume on this thing? That's true, Lucas. That's true. I don't know about that. I don't know if your wife agrees, but yes, yes, yes. I think it's having a hard time getting back above the 9 EMA. MLGO looks like it just popped to the highs of the day again. I don't know why that entry is so high, but if you're new to charts, I would recommend on a momentum stock like this, I'd recommend the 3-minute time frame, Joe. Your favorite? You made some nice money on that play. Some very nice monies. Are we just gonna stare at this thing and it's just gonna sit below the 9 EMA? My goodness. So in 5 minutes we have more data for the S&P there. So more data coming out in 5 minutes for SPY. It's like the volume just dried up on this thing. Ayo Willie, good morning. CCM is halted up. CCM. Yeah, but also like the volume on that thing is basically non-existent. Non-existent. Interesting. You don't have the 3. You got the 1 and the 5. Well, switch to TradingView instead, right? There's a link in the description or there's a link in Discord. Switch to TradingView and you should have the 3 minutes. Lucas, you deserve a slap, by the way. I'm about to slap you. First of all, Lucas, all morning we've been seeing this resistance at 420 resistance. Look right there. Why the hell would you buy that thing at 416? Like, look at that. That's a triple top, right? 420, 420, 420, 420, 420, resistance, resistance, resistance. So why would you buy that thing at 416 is my question. Newsy's halted down, guys. So be very careful, please. Right? Yeah, please. Please and thank you. Uh, if I am using a bar, some other songs, using another artist, but la, 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 la. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. Let me go back. Well, it looks like it's bouncing there a little bit for you though, Lucas. So hopefully it goes. Let's see, Josh. Okay, let me click on it. Actually, I'm gonna click on it from whatever is connected to the speaker stuff, so that it plays directly from that. Okay. What is this thing doing? Can somebody call E? Can you call the It's trying, Lucas. It's trying. Let's see here. Come on, maybe this song is gonna give us some nice boom skis, boom skis, Josh.
Hot trades, fan market scene kings, precision trading, no FOMO strings, fearless roasted success, high beams, tight knit crew living out dreams. Charts and graphs, we decipher codes, buying low, selling high, street tales get told. Options popping, future cash unfolds. Community tight, true wealth goes. Making moves ain't no myth or scheme.
Let's go.
Team supreme. Roasted clouds, evidence is seen. Trade precision, living in the dream. Bullish on value, bear traps we snare. Fake gurus crying life's unfair. Market winds blowing, but we still there. Unity strong, profits we declare. Signals clear, no panic in the plan. Every move calculated, wealth expands. Legacy building, future in our hands.
Let's go.
Passing knowledge to the younger bands. Making moves ain't no myth or scheme. Hot trades, family market team supreme. Roasted clouds, evidence is seen.
I like it.
Trade precision, living in the dream.
I like it. I like it. I like it. Isn't that cool, Josh? Very cool. I like it. Shish. There we go, guys. There we go. 115. There we go. There we go. There we go. Come on, let's go. I'm telling you, that song brought us some good luck. Let's go, Josh. See, Josh was holding us back, guys. He just wanted us to play this song, He was like, yup, play this song, and we go. Play the vibes, and we go. Can we get to $1.20, guys? Like, very slow. Very, very slow. Come on, there we go, guys. There we go. Josh was holding us back. Let's go, Josh. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We'll take little scalpies, Little scalpies, we'll take it. Let's go. Don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already, please and thank you. Would appreciate that. Smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new. Yeah, Newsy still halted down on that drop, right? I mean, honestly, this is what we keep saying. We keep saying this. We keep saying this, right? Before a stock goes to the abyss, there's always warning signs. right? That oof, what was that? That was the S&P. That was the S&P, wasn't it? Damn, look at CCM. Look at CCM on the right hand side there. Yeah, CCM is halted up again. The S&P just cooked to the highs of the day. Uh, yeah, that was CCM. Let's go, Jack of all trades. I like the name. I like the name a lot. Let's go, Jack. Legend. Jack of all trades. Welcome to the community. Welcome, welcome, welcome. There should be an invite link for you under the members only section. So click that link and then come join us in Discord. Alrighty. Click that link. BFI looks good still, though. I know quite a few of you guys are watching this one. It just has a double top at 72 cents now. Joe, yeah, it's very like yeah, it's very slow, isn't it? Very very slow. I was expecting more from this. Usually we get more, right? Like, are you kidding me? We might still get more, right? But very slow, very slow. Again, we that's another trade that we picked the absolute bottom on, which is nice, right? So we're becoming very good at picking these bottoms, but at the same time, like that thing just doesn't have the volume. NCNC with a really nice pop, right? So of 20 cents, 21, 200 EMA, boom skis, 28 cents. So not bad at all. Newsies on halted as well, and it's still dropping, right? But again, like, the warning sign is right there. This is why we say like don't touch these stocks or sell these stocks when they go below the 9 EMA, because I mean look at that. As soon as that candle closed below, it was disaster after that, right? So and then yeah, MHUA. We're just gonna keep that one on watch for now, right? So NCNC though, that thing looks really nice. I'm sure your next resistance is that psychological level. Exactly, Raven. See Senor, see Senor. There goes 29 cents for NCNC. 29 cents. And then CCM, like, I don't know why this thing is pumping like it is because it really doesn't have very much volume, but that thing cooked hard. Impressive. Cooked hard. Uh, too many. There you go. Missed it. Tesla's cooking. Yeah. Today is cooking day for those large caps. Cooking day. There you go. There you go. You almost yeah, 370 almost there. Yeah. Yeah. Very impressive. The S&P is going for the highs of the day again there, guys. And there goes the S&P, new highs of the day, including pre-market. So, yup. I want to see that thing break above 550 though and stay above 550. I think that would be really nice. You made $150? I mean, what can I say? Well done. Well done. Look at that, guys. Again, not even kidding, right? So, Joe messaged me this morning and he's like, dang, I'm struggling. Like I want to upgrade so I can get those signals, right? I want to upgrade so I can get those signals. Well, he just upgraded this morning when we were coming on, right? That's Joe with the upgrade this morning, so he could get the signals, and the first signal he takes, he makes the monies back. So well done, Joe. Right? We keep saying invest in yourself. It's for a reason, right? Whatever membership you have, it pays for itself. So yup. The smaller cap stocks will be affected by the FOMC chase. No, they might be slow because people are paying attention to that, but they're usually not affected. It depends. So it depends what type of small cap you're talking about, right? The smaller caps that are also kind of tied the names we're paying attention to, no. Like these are all pump and dump stocks already. So those ones are not really yeah. Yeah, so resistance line at 30 cents for NCNC. VCNX. VCNX. Yeah, it's halted up coming from the abyss. The volume just seems a bit silly too, but yeah, not bad. Yes. There goes that. Oh my god, look at CCM, guys. Look at CCM. That thing is cooking. Like there's no volume there, but that thing is cooking. Stuff like that you want to be very careful with. I mean, like, look at that. That's the scary thing. Like, look at the volume. Basically non-existent, and it went up and right back down. I'm surprised they didn't halt it down. Sheesh. 7,000 shares, 8,000 shares. That's it. Very scary. Be careful. Anyways, here comes a double top, guys, for NCNC, but it's looking really really good. So, looking really really good. 103. Yeah. I know, virus. I know. I know. Yup. Perfect. Perfect. Yeah, so it looks like so 31, like right below 32 cents is where that double top is sitting at. Right below 32 cents. Will it ever move, Joe? I mean, it's still higher than the level we bought at, right? So which is good, right? And valid question. Like, will that thing actually give us a pump? Like seriously, right? Like it's just playing games here with us. The good thing is again we picked the bottom, so easy trade to manage, easy, right? So no concerns there at all. But dang, can that thing go boom skis off the bottom already? Sheesh. Yeah, so it looks like CCM is halted down. You know what I mean? Sheesh. Yeah, I would keep that thing really tight. You know, right there, right below, break even, whatever you need to do that. So yeah, because it's playing silly games there with us, and it looks like NCNC guys failed at 32 cents, so right at that resistance, right? So yeah, so 32, right at the double top. So look to the left hand side there, look right there, right, all the way across, right? So there's your double top, perfect double top, and then back down, perfect double top, and then back down. Yeah, call somebody. 5 minutes. Virus. Options on let's go, Josh. VFI West. Yeah, that thing just stalled at 72 cents on a double top, which is becoming a common thing this morning. Double tops for these stocks. Jericho says I sold put options on NVDA expiring the second, with strike of 109. Let it expire. I'm just thinking because I know you're most likely in the monies. Let me just look at Nvidia really quickly here because you're in the monies on those, and it's the second, which is so Friday. Let them expire. How much value is left in those things? Because it should almost be zero. If it's almost zero, I would buy them back just in case anything happens today with the FOMC meeting. Right? You're not like either way. I think you should be fine. right? So most likely what's happened is you're a criminal and you're going to jail, Jericho. What you've done is you sold those puts to somebody for $5, right? Now those puts are worth 10 cents. Your question now is, do you just let them expire, or do you just keep them, right? Do you let them expire, or do you just do you go buy them back, right? My only concern is, again, there's a few days, anything can happen. I think you're going to be fine even if you let them expire, but at the same time, you could just say, hey, like, I sold them to you for $5, they're worth 20 cents, I'm going to buy them back for 20 cents, and then that person is going to cry, right? You sold for 82 cents, what are they worth now? Like 10 cents? What are they worth? If they're almost worth like nothing, I would go buy them back, right? If there's still some fair value, then maybe just keep them. But either way, you're gonna be fine on this though. So yeah. La Folia. Yeah, you're welcome. So yeah, it just depends whatever value is left in them. Whatever value. There goes 31 again for NCNC retesting the top of the range. So maybe this time it can actually break out. Should be the stock of the day. I mean, it looks like it wants to break above 32 cents, so it might be. NCNC, there it goes, 32 cents. There it is. There it is. 33 cents. Oof. It made you $220. Well done. Congratulations. Congratulations. Yeah, that thing is cooking there. If that candle can actually close above 32, that would be nice. And then Yi posted some levels in Discord too, so uh yeah. You made $650. Congratulations. Well done. Well done, skis. Well done, skis. Mike, that's funny. Very funny. Choo-choo-choo. Funny. Kind of looks like, we're just going into that range and then back up and back into the range for MHUA, right? So again, technically, it's still in that buy range, still in the buy range for MHUA. So the question is, will it ever actually break out? That's the question. Will it ever actually break out? So then there you go. That 34 cents is your next resistance there, guys, for NCNC. 34 cents. 34. Troy, what did you do to 8 ball? Because I think is always giving you some not so nice feedback. Yeah, the S&P looks like it's going for 550, isn't it? Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Love it, love it, love it. Tesla? Ooh, Tesla's, wow. The volatility in the market is just on a different level. Just crazy. How the hell do you go from like 234 all the way back to 220 and then back to like $10 moves in 2 days? Each day $10 on Tesla. Crazy. Come on, NCNC. Why does this song have like weird, just gonna turn it down. Uh, yeah, as long as you don't let it go above 34 cents, right? So be very careful then. Be very careful. And there goes. Here it comes. Is he actually going to break out this time or does it get slapped again? So, again, clearly anything close to 34 cents is resistance on NCNC. But it's not giving up though. Not giving up. La, 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 la. Ooh, that's not good. Mm, perfect. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes, 36. Nice little breakout. Woof. There you go. So it looks like we have another nice little resistance at 36 cents. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, exactly. So you want to be careful with like short positions on a stock that clearly has like a lot of momentum like that. Even if it's at resistance, you want to be very careful. Sometimes it's better. You're better off to like see a bit of weakness before you do that, right? If it's holding the 9 and it's just sitting there, you want to be very careful because that thing is about to slap 36 cents. There goes 37 cents. Sheesh. 37. That thing said, hey, catch me outside. How about that? Good morning, Nemo. What is that? Today's breakfast. uh, that's your breakfast, Raven? Oh my goodness. uh, let's see. Uh, interesting. Okay. Nah, 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 nah. Yes, please. There you go, Shankar. There you go. Congratulations. Don't let those profits disappear though, because I know you're up a lot. You're up a lot, so don't let those monies go to the abyss, please. Yeah, it looks like yeah, Felicia, it looks like it's trying to curl up the 50 EMA, so 63 cents, right? And then obviously that 70 cents is still a problem. CCM, is it halted again? No, it's actually trading this time. Nvidia is still cooking them. What's the value again? So what Jericho, what's the value of those Nvidia puts right now that you sold? What are they currently worth? In bacon grease? And oh wow. I want to go to the woods. I want to go to the woods. There goes the sell off, guys, on NCNC. There's some profit taking, right? So, do you see that white line at the top there? Yeah. This is why, again, we always leave these lines there, even though it's messy. Because, I mean, for some reason, we left this line there at 36. Even though we went to 37, that line still became, still acted as resistance. To me, this is just a retest, though. They're worth 90 cent, 90, 94. Okay. Okay. Maybe we're on different pages with that then. Yeah, just make sure you don't go red, please. Let's go, Mark. Let's go. Let's go. Mark says, "Hey yo, stopping by to say hello on my vacation." Let's go, Mark. Hopefully, you're having a wonderful time. Hopefully, you're having a wonderful time. I know you are. And thank you for stopping by and saying hello. Hello, hello. Let's go. Yeah, perfect. Do, 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 do. Interesting. Okay, perfect. Do, 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 do. And Muahaha is still just sitting here, guys. I know some people are still playing with this and still holding it, so I hope that thing can find a way to get some volume and then pop. Hopefully. For NCNC though, so again, this is a retest of that previous breakout, right? Close to 32 cents. So hopefully you can find a base between 32 and 31, and then consolidate. Alrighty, consolidate and push back up. That would be nice. Let's go, Mark. Who thought me to make $500 each morning at 7 a.m.? Blaze did. Paying for my vacation. Let's give one legend membership. Kick off there. Let's go. Come on, Mark. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Si senor. Si senor. Let's go, Mark. Love it. Let's go. Right. So again, we keep telling people that the goats are cooking. Mark is on vacation and making monies. Alrighty, Mark is making $500 each morning. Do you think the goat membership cost $500 a morning? It does not. I wish it did, because then Mark and I would both be on vacation. I'm kidding. So again, invest in yourself, and that investment will pay for a long, long time. So well done, Mark. Keep cooking. Thank you for the giveaway. Let's do a giveaway. Let's go, Grim. Let's go, Grim. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Grim is gifting away some memberships, guys. Non-stop cooking. Non-stop cooking from the members. So Mark, thank you very much. Grim, thank you very much. Really appreciate that, guys. Grim, is your stuff working yet, or you're still waiting? You need to switch brokers immediately. Grim became a member and he's been cooking. Grim is becoming, one of the favorite members. So, Mark, did you want to do a question or just a random legend giveaway? You're waiting till tomorrow? Oh my goodness. Okay. See, that's very annoying. That's very annoying. You need to call them and beg and say, please, pretty please, I didn't know. Please, please, please. Let's go, guys. Look at that. Giveaways from Josh, giveaways from Virus and Thrust. Let's go, guys. Josh, let's go. Santa, Santa, Santa. Virus, when I tell you Virus has been anyways, let me not say let me Virus, I appreciate you and everything else that you do. Thank you very much for the giveaway. Thank you all very much. Grim, thank you. Josh, thank you. Virus, thank you. Mark, let's do a giveaway. Let's do a random draw, Mark. Let's do a random draw. Um, yeah, Grim. Okay, sounds good. Good, good, good. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, let's do. Let me set up the giveaway, and then so connect this. YouTube's continue. Allow. So we're gonna give away a legend membership, guys. We're gonna do a keyword, and the keyword is hashtag all small letters, guys. Uh, all small letters. The hashtag is hashtag goats, because that's what Mark is. So Mark, thank you very much. So again, we're giving away a legend membership. Alrighty, guys. Perfect. Let's go. So hashtag goat. Let's go, and then yeah, we can give that away. for Legend membership. Let's go, let's go. Josh, I missed your initial message at the top. Too many messages came through. In 2021 music, check it out. Okay, okay, sounds good. I will. I will. Another one? Okay, yeah, I see a tag. Okay, I will. Okay, there we go. Are you guys ready to do the giveaway, guys? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Ready, ready, ready? Ready, ready, ready? Okay, we're gonna do the giveaway now, guys. My size? Okay, I'll take a look. The winner for the giveaway, guys. The winner for the giveaway is Roll It Nemo. Let's go, Nemo. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Nemo, are you a gold member already? I don't think so, right? No, I don't think so. So you get an upgrade then. I don't think so. I don't think so. Let me know. Let me see. I don't think Nemo is. If he is, then I'll just do. No, he's not. Okay, perfect. Okay, perfect, Nemo. You're good to go now. So you just got upgraded. Congratulations, Nemo. Yeah, yeah, Wes, exactly. As I just said I was going to win. Sometimes you have to manifest, manifest. I just said I was going to win. It's rigged? No, it's not rigged. Maybe you tricked the bot into. Anyways, NCNC is looking good, guys. NCNC is doing exactly what you wanted to do, right? This is basically a retest. I mean, look right there. So this is your double top, right? That's your breakout. That's your retest. So that same resistance at 36 cents still applies. So it's gonna need to break about 36, and then more ha 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 ha. It looks like it's trying to go, but it just doesn't have the volume. I feel like we're gonna be waiting all day for this thing to pop, and then we're gonna get rid of it, and then it's gonna go boom skis. The next one, Rashid, you're gonna win. Yes, manifestation. If you're still holding more ha 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 ha, type in yes in the chat, guys. If you're still holding this thing, type in yes in the chat. What about spy puts? I mean, it's a gamble because we have the Fed today, so it's anybody's guess at this point. Anybody's guess at this point. Dylan, yeah. Mohammed, yeah. Okay. I mean, you guys should be green on your positions, right? The entry was between $1 and $1.10, which it's been in that range multiple times, right? So this has been an easy trade, even though like it's really frustrating, right? Easy trade, even though it's frustrating. You didn't like it, Giovanni? That's okay. That's a-okay, right? So like it looks like it's frustrating anyways. Yeah. So we're failing in that supply zone again here for NCNC, guys. 2 p.m. Eastern time. 2 p.m. 2 p.m. Eastern time. Would I take a look at PRST, please? 396. Thinking of selling and getting out of it. I think that's a good plan. uh, and then I'll take a look at. Ooh, okay, you're basically break even. Okay, you're not actually green. In this case, then I wouldn't sell it. That thing just popped, so maybe now you can. Maybe now you can for a little bit of profit. That's up to you. But if I were you in that position, I would set a stop loss at like 380 something. Right, so very small loss, but like 380 something. Or you can take the gains if you want to. Right, not massive gains, but yeah, not massive. But yeah, that's what I would do. Breaking news: Pelosi is back and buying more Nvidia. She bought 1.3 million $1 million of Nvidia. She bought two this month alone. She sold Microsoft to buy Nvidia. She's now bought $2.5 million worth of Nvidia this month alone. Wow. Shish. Nancy Pelosi back on the NVIDIA train. She's like, I want in. Anyways, let me look at my size here. My size. My size. Yeah, that small time frame isn't gonna give me much. So let me zoom out. Ooh, nice. 250. Yeah. As long as that thing stays above 250, all it's missing is the volume. So more of a swing play. But yeah, it really needs that volume. Let's go, Josh. Let's go. Let's go. Been going up today, Siri. Okay, I'll take a look. Yeah, so yeah, as long as that thing stays above 250, I like it. Yeah, perfect. $2.50. It just had a nice little pop there too. Yeah, so stay above 250 and it's a-okay. Uh, there we go. Yeah, especially for penny stock. Yeah, that volume will usually be crazy high. It looks like BFI, Wes's favorite stock, is going back up to 70 cents. 70 cents. 70 cents. Hmm. Interesting. Highs of the day. Yeah. Nice curl off the bottom, actually. Nice curl off the bottoms. Your entry is 50 cents. Nice, congrats. You must have bought this thing in. You must have bought this thing not today. Maybe yesterday, pre-market, maybe after hours. Yeah, because it hasn't been to 50 cents today. Has not been to 50 cents today. Apple is still cooking. Oof. 14% overnight so far. Yeah, a long time ago. Okay. Sheesh, the markets. Oh wow, the S&Ps are 551 now. Oh my goodness! And the FOMC meeting hasn't even happened yet. Can they cancel it, please, Virus? Can we make a phone call and say, please cancel the FOMC meeting? This is a good run. Can Powell not ruin it? Because when Powell comes on later, this is gonna be him, you know. Did you guys see the when he announces the rate cuts? You know, the market is gonna be cooking, cooking. Now you know when Powell shows up, you know, and he has a bit of swag, you're gonna know he's coming for the rate cuts. He's gonna be wearing like a pink suit or something like that. Then the market is gonna squeeze to all-time highs again. Well, I guess the market crash is gone now, guys. No more market crash. Well, Well. I guess we'll wait and see. Yeah, hopefully not. Hopefully not. Hopefully not. Even if we dip, so here's what I think happens. We either announce a rate cut and then we just kind of stabilize and we push higher, or he's like, man, I don't know, and then the market crashes. Not crash. When I say crash, I mean like retrace. We retrace like below 550, and then when he's done yapping, we go right back up. Because that's usually how it happens. Either we pick a direction and we just go, or it goes in the opposite direction, but then it resumes the direction that it was going in before he came on. So yeah. So one of the two. Either way, I think it's a okay. A okay. Um, nice. Yeah, it's looking good. I think that pre-market wall. Yeah, there was so 84, 85 cents for PMEC. So a little bit of resistance there. Yeah, impressive, isn't it, Wes? Yeah, it's not like again, it's not like Microsoft's earnings was like absolute garbage. It's not like they had garbage earnings. They miss cloud revenue, but I think people just. Oh my goodness, Josh is having the best time with uh Josh is having the best time. Let's go, Dan. How are you? Good morning. How's your morning? Rashid, what's your position in those plays? Otherwise, I'm just gonna be running around looking at ticker symbols. What's your position in those plays? Microsoft actually had a beautiful dip, Wes. If you look at the 4 hour time frame, easy money. So let me pull up the 4 hour on Microsoft. Like if you were watching Microsoft last night on the 4 hour and you wanted to buy that thing, I'm pretty sure we put a line there last night, Virus, right? Right there. Look at that beautiful, that white line right there. Where's that line coming from? Look at that. Beautiful, right? Microsoft has bounced up this level. The last time it had a crazy dip like that, which was funny enough, it was like earnings, the last earnings, and then it double bottomed, 389. Fast forward to like last night, Microsoft came right to that level as well, and then boom skis. So pretty nice pop. It's only down like 1% now, so that's nice. Life is good. Oh yeah, I keep forgetting. I keep forgetting. Dan, how's the beach? Dan says, la 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 la. Life. Good morning. La 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 la. Your second call. Life is good. Life is good. Let's go, Dan. Dan is laying on the beach, guys, and stretching and scalping futures. Baruch, good morning. You made another $100. Oof, oof, Joe. Oof. I'm telling you, there has to be something. There has to be something with the gold members. Like Joe, you became a gold member today, and you've completely paid off the gold membership, like all of it, completely paid off in one day. So, what does that tell you? Is sleep in, lay on the beach, eat, drink some cocktails, repeat. Let's go, Dan. Let's go. Yeah. Right. So, congratulations. So again, you knew what you wanted. You wanted the signals, and you've been scalping that thing in and out. Small gains, small gains, small gains. Right? Upgrade your membership. It pays for itself. Easy monies. So I don't know what to tell you. Yup. Exactly. Anyways, moving on. Moving on. Sheesh. What's a day for the markets? Are you ready for Powell to come on, Dan? Since last Friday, recharge is needed. No, I think everybody needs a break. Everybody needs every once in a while. Everybody needs a break from the markets. Especially if you're doing well, you need to step back. Otherwise, the market will slap you. You know, Lauren. Ayo, let's go. Let's go. The beach life. The beach life. Damn, look at that thing go. Look at BFI. My goodness, that thing said, thanks, guys. Goodbye. 40% push. Powell can suck it. That's right. That's right. That was a good breakout, by the way. If you're watching this thing and looking for the breakout, that was a good breakout. Boom skis, BFI. Boom skis. What then? Si, senor. Si, senor. Si, senor. Okay. Josh, are you still playing with that thing? Still playing with it, aren't you? The anthem. That is very cool. Calendar, calendar, calendar. Perfect. He says, and I quote, "Stop calling me." Let's go. Tell him we just need him one more time, Josh. Cut rates and be optimistic about cutting rates twice this year. And yeah, that is true, Josh. Yeah. Okay, let me see. Let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see. Levels. Uh, okay. I really wish YouTube would Ayo Mexican Stallion, Ayo Ayo would let me close out levels. Uh, hmm. I want to close out those goat levels because I don't want any more goats. There's like one more spot left, but I just want to close it out. Um, yeah. F1 TV. No more goats, please. Unless. Yeah. Yes, please don't forget to smash the like, guys. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. And if you're not a member yet, you know what to do. Click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbot and come join us in Discord. Alrighty, so again, if you want to join us in Discord, just click the link at the bottom there. Hold it down for me. No more last spot for Tesh is a slacker. Tesh is eating cookies in the background now. This is BFI Zion. BFI. So it looks like it's stalling at 78 cents there. Yeah, there's like one more goat spot left, but I want to close. I wish I could. I wish there was a way for me to like close out levels seriously, because I know someone's gonna sign up for that stuff. But I might just need to change the name to like goats sold out or something. But anyways, I'll do that later today. I will do that later today. Yeah. Over 23. Let's go, GME. No, 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 no. Call it the Mullen level. Na, 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 na. The Mullen level. No, I don't want any Mullen anywhere beside the goats, please. Nowhere close. Yeah. If you made money, I mean, Wes, if you made money in BFI today, type in yes in the chat. If you made money, type in yes in the chat, which I think a whole bunch of people did. If you made money, type in yes in the chat. So, yes, Eric, there you go. Yeah, so a whole bunch of people made monies in it. Yeah. Yeah. Looks like it's dipping now. So I mean, anyways, when it's stalling like that, you want to be careful. Buckaroos, Eric, buckaroos. Keep making those buckaroos. They all add up, you know. It looks like we're retesting a previous breakout, right, at 27 cents ish, for NCNC, and it's curling, so that's good. Mwahaha is still sitting in the same range, guys. At this point, this stock is just being silly, being silly. What if you woke up tomorrow and I saw 100 new code members? I would tell them they can schedule for like next year or something, you know. I mean, if you want to schedule your one-on-ones, um, for like 6 months down the road, and then yeah. You know, I think next month I'm gonna open up like another, like a few more spaces though in the afternoon, so then we could do more one-on-ones, but not for like new people, for the people that we have already. Anyways, yeah, that thing looking sussy, sussy, sussy. La 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 la. Grim, yes, yes, please. I mean, so there's still spots for like the lifetime goats though. So if you want to become a, yeah, exactly, virus. Yeah, if you wanna become like lifetime goats, like that spot will always be open. Because I was specifically, like that's different. Like each membership has like a, anyways, you know what I mean. So that stuff is fine. Uh, okay, good. Thank you. So you was set up your algo in, yeah, yeah, soon. Let's go. Grim is gonna become a lifetime goats, guys. A lifetime goats. And then Grim is gonna, and then it's Aussie time, Australia. Let's go. I feel like I want to go to Australia at some point, you know? Travel, travel, travel. Australia? Australia. You guys have snakes though. La 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 la. Uh, la 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 la. Perfect. Do, do, do. No snakes in the city where you live? Okay, good. Whew, my goodness. Daintree? Daintree. In the city. There goes BurgerFi. BurgerFi. Yeah, it looks like it has good support around 64 cents though, which is nice. So hopefully it stays above that. Yeah, virus, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. Not now, or not now, obviously. Like, yeah, a bit more time, yeah. Like a next summer trip maybe, like a planning thing, you know? Yeah, I'm down. Down to do some trips. Do some trips. Yeah, exactly, Nemo. In Dubai, let's go, Josh. Let's go, let's go. My goodness, there's so many places we need to go. So many places. That time will come. That time will come for sure. That time will come. The time will come. Uh, let's see. Walter said, "Screw you, screw you, Giovanni. The last goat spot is gone, guys. So please, please don't become goats anymore. I don't have time for any more goats. My main focus now is to get all the goats to where they need to be. Um, but don't become goats anymore. The only spot that's open is lifetime goats. Giovanni, sorry, somebody else took the last spot. So again, you can become like lifetime goats if you want, or like lifetime legends. Um, yeah, the farm is full, Brian. No more goat spots. So if you become a goat, you're gonna be waiting like 2 months before we do a one-on-one, and that's fine. I mean, if you want to, right? But you gotta stop that, Christopher. Yeah, on that thing, and like I said, I would move that stop loss up. So Walter, make sure you go to the one-on-one channel in Discord and schedule a one-on-one. But oh yeah, I told you guys, like by the end of the year, like the the prices of like the prices will most likely change for those things. Obviously, the less time we have, the anyways, the less time we have to do those things, well then the more valuable those things become, right? So and other stuff like that. It's usually the first, West. It's usually the first of every month. Is the X date. Yeah, exactly. GZ. Yeah, yeah, exactly, exactly. Like if someone is exactly. So like Grim is gonna switch to lifetime. So then I'm sure there's gonna be a spot that's open. So yeah, it's not like it's completely. So yeah, you could always do that instead. Uh, let's go, virus. I would just open up. Yeah. No, Josh. Josh is stuck. La, 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 la. So yeah, exactly, Nemo. Exactly, exactly. So I'm sure that stuff will change. Right? Like, yeah, I do one-on-ones all the time with you guys, and you guys have crazy services. Like you guys pay thousands of dollars for some of these services that I'm like, dang. Well, I mean, you know. But anyways, so we're offering like yearly memberships and lifetime memberships and things like that. So yeah, so then you never have to worry about like anything changing, like your membership changing, right? So then you can, yeah, then you're good to go, right? And if the prices do ever go up, then you have nothing to worry about, anyways. La 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 la. Yes, Josh is stuck. He's not going anywhere. So, anyways, yeah, looks like PMEC is bouncing off that demand zone there, so that's good. I mean, technically MHUA is still holding $1. Like it came to the bottom of the range, but it's shown a lot of weakness today. So I don't know how we deal with that. If you're still playing with NCNC, guys, that 2750 is still support, so that's fine, right? If it can stay above it. And like there's some really good scalps all over the place. You can scalp anything you want to. Like TBIO is doing really well, hitting session highs. TBIO. Let me switch over to the 1 minute time frame here. TBIO. Yeah, it's sending it. Like it looks really good, right? So the opportunities all over the place today in the markets. Not crazy opportunities though. Like not stuff we're used to. Like 200% runners. Not today because of the Fed meeting. Not today, right? But there's still like scalps all over the place, right? Newsy Nui. Ooh. Hmm. Yeah, the volume on some of these two is quite scary. Quite scary. Nui Nui. Oh, that's the song? You want to? Oh, with Grim? Oh, Virus, it was a song? Okay, I see. Yeah. Hmm. Looks like this one's stalling at right below 450 though. NCNC is really trying to get back about 30 cents. Trying. There goes 30 cents. uh, yeah. Nice, Oksana. Cooking with some quick spy puts. Cooking with the spy puts. There goes 31. So 31 is your next little resistance there. Next little resistance. Did you did that, Virus? Okay. Yeah, at the very least, hopefully we close above 548. 550 would be nice too. 550 would be nice. Uh, yeah, perfect. Forty-two minutes. 31. PMEC is going back for the highs of the day, guys. So 80 cents. So anybody that got into this or waited for the dip, beautiful. Consolidate curl. It's looking very weak, Joe. Very, very weak, right? So watch that $1 range there. There goes the double top, 82 cents for PMEC. Spy calls, the other 50% is in your pocket. Nice, Virus. Oh yeah, you're making monies. Let's go. Let's go, Grim. Let's go. You know when someone like is just a random person, just joins the community, but they're like an amazing fit to the community. That's Grim. Yeah, that when somebody just joins and they embrace and they're absolutely fire. That's Grim. Grim is nice. I like it. No dangerous things, please. Yeah, there goes PMEC, looking really good. Wow, I think it's cooking now. Yeah, there's a lot of you guys are like that, which I really really like. A lot of you guys like just join the community and then you just embrace the vibes, and then we just cook together. So I like when people join and they might have been having a horrible time, but they're open to like learning and just embracing and chatting and helping. Like, it's really cool. It really does, Nemo. It really does. Like, we're not the biggest community, but we have the best people. We have the best people. Is right a good time, like power hour? No. So right before lunch is usually when people start taking profits, like 30 minutes before lunchtime, right? People start taking profits. Yeah, it's not like power hour. So power hour and market open, these are the busiest times because the volume comes in, right? So at the open, people are either FOMOing or selling positions. Same thing at the close. People are positioning for the next day or for after hours, or they're selling their positions. So you have volatility at the end of the day. So the first hour and the last hour, those are the busiest, right? When we start going into lunchtime like this, 30 minutes into lunchtime, it becomes very slow. People are walking away from the desk, right, to go eat some whatever they're eating for lunch. Exactly, virus quality over quantity, right? So we definitely have quality. So so yep, I like it a lot. I like it a lot, a lot. Uh, let's go, Ovi. No, I see you coming all the time. Yeah. Sheesh. I think that thing is maybe we actually test that $1 range now. Push for $1, maybe. Just be careful though. Like anytime you get close to like like $1 like this, you want to be a bit cautious. Uh, mm, um, okay, perfect. uh, if you get it right, no, that the steak sounds better. The steak sounds amazing. So 94 cents at the highest here for this one. If you are in 350, let's go, Lucas. Let's go. Well done. If you made money, so you're still in this one, guys, type in yes in the chat. PMEC. PMEC. If you made money, so you're still in this one, type in yes. Well done. Good breakout. Did your wife get into this one as well, Lucas? Or you what's Powell saying? You Powell is unlikely to pre-commit on rate cuts, probably. To make any pre-commitments on plans to cut interest rates, apart from giving a few hints about the direction of travel on Wednesday's press conference. We'll wait for a longer weighted interest rate cuts, he says. No, 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 no. Ukraine gets its first delivery of F-16 fighter jets. Of course. Of course. Let's go. Lucas, again, discipline, please. No more diamond hands. Use those stop losses. Right? Let's go. You make $300, right? Your stop loss is $100, right? So don't make your stop loss $300 and then your gains $100. Bigger reward versus risk, please. Oh yeah, Josh. Yeah, Josh is busy making fire beats. Why not a goat or something? The moose. It's because the moose brings gains. Seasonor 91. Let's see. No, no, no. Love it. There goes 94 again. Yeah, let's go, Josh. There goes 96. Ooh, 97. Oh my days, that thing is looking hot. Shish. That looks like a blow up top though, doesn't it? To a dollar and then back down now. Yeah, that looks like a blow off top there. We shall see though. We shall see. NCNC, yeah, retesting that 27 cents a rune. June. Yi, tiny pop. Okay. Yeah, that thing has a nice bottom there, doesn't it? It also looks like T Bio is kind of consolidating. The spread isn't amazing on T Bio, but it's not horrible. So Yi posted my size in Discord and trade ideas, right? And it's at 270 now. Nice Yi. Yeah, slow and steady on that one. That thing can break out with some more volume. That would be nice. Sweet, sweet, sweet. uh, you sold at 88 cents. Dang. That's okay. I'm glad you made money though. I don't think you should regret that at all. You made monies. Right? Your job now is to try not to FOMO and take losses, please. Send it, send it, send it. Yeah, it looks like it's stalling right below dollar now. It's coming back down, Lucas. Don't worry. Don't worry, don't worry. Until it breaks over $1. And then says, bye, Lucas. No, it is not your worst enemy. Because where did you use a stop loss or did you just sell it? I'd rather you use a stop loss, Lucas. Right? I would rather you use a stop loss, please. What was the top of the NCNC? Okay. Just wanted to see what that thing was doing. Ooh. Interesting. Exactly. As long as you're making money, Lucas. As long as you're making money. As long as you're making money. If you make $300 a day with the stop loss, Lucas, you're gonna do well. If you can do that, you're gonna do really well, Lucas. So look at these numbers, right? Look at these numbers. So for a day or two lets me have a good sleep instead of waking up for the aftermarket. Grim, that's true. It's giving you a well-deserved break, because you've been doing really well and you kind of need a break. So, so the market doesn't force you to take a break. So, yeah, get some rest, Grim. See you tomorrow. Good night. Good night. Good night. $2,000 a day is what you need to make. It is, Nemo. It's nice to have a vision, right? So, think of what you want, the goal you want to hit, and then go from there. Let's go, Grim. Good night. Yeah, looks like that candle was a blow off top there, right below $1. But at the same time, again, that $1 is resistance, and yeah, that stop loss was too wide for me. Which stop loss? Yeah, keep those stop losses really tight, Joe. When you're making money, you want to make sure your stop loss gets really tight, right? There's no need for you to make $100 and then leave your stop loss at $100. Like, absolutely not, right? So that's too much, right? That's unacceptable, right? You cannot make $200 and then put your stop loss for $200, right? Again, the goal is to 5 to 1 in a sense. Like your ratio should be 5 to 1 to something else, right? If I'm up $200, my stop loss is $50, right? I cannot make $200 and then put a stop loss for $200. I'm willing to give everything back. Unacceptable, right? So that if you do stuff like that, the market will wipe you out every single time. Then you're wasting time. You know what I mean? So um, yeah, your stop loss has to be tight. And if a stock isn't performing, if you scalp the stock a few times, Joe, and it's not performing, move on to a different stock. Move on to something else. Exactly, virus. 50% in your pocket, right? Walk away with some gains. Walk away with some gains, please. Walk away with some gains. Keep better stop losses. There goes PMEC still bouncing up the 9 EMA here. Lock in the monies. 30 cents, yeah. I mean, it still looks like it's holding the 200 for now, but that level is for sure a problem. $90. Yeah, if you look at PayPal on the daily chart is actually quite nice. It has like a double bottom, triple bottom, maybe. So, geez, good thing Oksana sold those puts. Otherwise, she'd be yes, please. It's all about risk management, guys. Right? So, yeah. Yep. If you're willing to take $100 profits consistently on trades, you should also be willing to take $100 losses, right? Because too often people are like, oh, they see a little bit of money, a little bit of profits, right? A little bit of profits are like, oh, $50, yay, I'm gonna take it, thank you, yay, $100, thank you. But then you see $200 in losses, you're like, no thanks, I'm not gonna take that. Minus $300, are you kidding me? That's all my day's work. Nope. Minus $3,000. Are you kidding me? That's my month paycheck. No way. Minus $10,000. Oh my goodness, that's the college fund. You know what I mean? So you have to be willing to you have to remember that like you're not like we keep bringing up like this Wall Street like analyst ratio, like the percentage. Like a 50% win rate is quite nice. You can do really well with like you can do really well in the market even if you only win half of the time. Half of the time, you just have to know how to manage your risk and you're good to go, right? If you're constantly making $100 wins but then taking $50 losses, you're gonna be fine, right? So half of the time you're gonna be fine. Exactly, Joe. You have to take that loss, and if it breaks down, get rid of that garbage, right? So get rid of the garbage. Yeah, good thing you took that loss because it always gets worse. TBIO looks like it's still cooking. Yeah, it's actually halted up now. TBIO, TBIO, Telesis. That was a good curl. That was a really good curl. A really good curl. Yeah. Nice pop and halt. Yeah, that was a good retest of the 200 and then ran back above the 9 EMA. Beautiful. Easy monies. Right? Drop below, curl back above. Easy monies. And then halted up. Beautiful. Beautiful. Is ready for tomorrow. Pepito. What's happening tomorrow? What's happening tomorrow with PRST? Are they getting delisted? I'm kidding. Kidding. Choo. Mm, mm, mm. Let's go. Yeah, looks like that was really a blow off top on PMEC. Lucas, hopefully you didn't go back into this thing, please. Right? Exactly, Wes. Yeah, a lot of people make that mistake. A lot of people make that mistake. Right? Your goal in the market is to be consistent, not to hit home runs. Right? If you're looking for home runs in the market, oof, that you're gonna end up being in trouble, right? So, consistent gains. Like I said, if you told me I could make $100 a day, oh, okay, maybe that's not. But whatever your daily goal is, right? $50. Because what's happening is like that goal will slowly increase, right? And your skill level will slowly increase when you're looking for that consistency. So if you're making $50, $100 a day consistently, something is gonna stick, and then that goal is gonna jump up to $200 a day, right? And then you're gonna do really well. So look for those consistent gains, because I see people make money and then they're like, oh, I'm up $200, $500, and then boom skis, the entire gains has gone back to zero. I'm like, are you kidding me? What the hell are you holding for? Right? You're up $500 and you let it go all to zero? Why? Seriously, Nemo. Yeah. When you so some people, like, for people that got into the market because of GME, AMC, or FFIE, that becomes very dangerous, right? So yep. La, 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 la. Yeah. 4,000 shares, 29. Trying to get out. Okay. Yeah. Hopefully, stays about 22. That 200 EMA. Yeah, you're back to 28 cents here, so you're not that far off. It just needs to break out. And then TBIO is still halted, guys, at the same price, 490. So. Laura says, "Yeah, let's not talk about that." Yeah, yeah. Oh my goodness, Josh. Sheesh. We're gonna need to download all these songs and put them on rotation, you know? Yeah. Random stuff? No, we did not. We did not. It looks like it's retesting a demand zone at 66 cents. So hopefully it stays above that level. Please don't mention GME. Oh, I know. I know. Hitting a home run in the market is potentially the worst thing that can happen. It's different when you're managing that home run in a good way because you have experience. It's a different thing when you show up to the market for the first time and then you get lucky. Oof, you're about to get destroyed unless you secure some profits. Yeah. So I made almost all the money I lost on FFIE this past week already. Thank goodness I sold what was left. Exactly, Laura. Exactly. Right. Again, when you're holding a big bag, honestly, sometimes what the best thing to do is get rid of that position. That clears up your mind, so you're not looking at minus 50%, minus 40%, minus 30%, and also you're not just leaving cash to sit there. Right. Opportunity cost. So sometimes you just have to set a stop loss on these bags. If they break below, get rid of them, right? And then use that money for something else, because that's exactly what Laura has done, right? She said thank you, goodbye, right? Use the money, make new monies with it. Don't let your money sit there and slowly die. And I got caught up. Yeah, exactly. Holding on for dear life does not work. Diamond hands does not work. You only diamond hand the S&P and Apple and Nvidia and Mike, like all these big boys that constantly grow and make tons of money, right? These penny stocks, nope, absolutely not, absolutely not. If you're if yeah, yeah. So don't do it, please. It's a money. Just need, but the branches occasionally falls. Joe, yep, yep. On the have secure and have secure a lot today. Nice, Pepito. Nice, congratulations. Let's go, Giovanni. Let's go. Yeah, right. Look for those small wins. They add up. Right. For a lot of you guys that like end the year without any gains, like like some people end the year without any gains, right? Or they end the year with losses. You know, like if all you did was just make, like, look at that. If all you did was make $50, every but like most of the time when you're holding bags, you at some point you were up more than $50. If you just took that 50, if I told anybody that like at the end of the year I'm gonna give you like $12,000, $13,000 at the end of the year, you'd be like, thank you. But like to take $50 and walk away, it's hard for someone to say, oh yeah, it's only $50. Only $50, right? That's 50 times, that's 55 times 252 trading days in a year, right? Nice monies. So sometimes these small gains add up at the end of the year. And if you can add $12,000, $20,000 to your income, that's all some people need, you know? That money goes into compounding in a different way, right? In your long-term portfolio, and you're happy. So yeah, Giovanni, 50, 80 to $400, monies, big monies. So TBIO is still halted. Still halted. PMEC is still holding above 80 cents there. So that's good. No, 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 no. Yeah. Honestly, Jay, that's okay. Like if you're paying those, you're doing well. You know? If you're paying those, you're doing well. La, 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 la. Exactly. Seriously, Bunny. Seriously. Yeah. Seriously. Let's go, Emma. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, Emma was like, please, let's go. Let's go. Yeah, Emma, welcome, 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 welcome. Um, yeah, make sure you go to the guys. Make sure you go to the, if you are a goat, make sure you go to the one-on-one channel, please. There's a calendar link in there that will give you access to the calendar. Make sure you schedule like two one-on-ones, right? So two one-on-ones a month already. Two one-on-ones a month. Cool, cool, cool. Yeah, and then you're good to go. Two one-on-ones. TBIO is on halted, guys, and that thing is cooking. There goes new highs of today. Sheesh. It's a really nice push. That's a good breakout too. Breakout and halt immediately. That thing is really cooking there. 45%. I think it's about to hit $6, isn't it? 580. 590 incoming. Yup. Oof, my goodness. $6, guys. Just like that. Damn. Sheesh. I'm sure $6 is going to be an obstacle. Not sure that's a good level to be jumping in. So let's go, Giovanni. Let's go. Let's go. Again, if you're not a member yet, yeah, so you want to join us in Discord, click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbots and come join us. We're going to hop off in like 10 minutes or so, guys, 10, 15 minutes and go back to Discord. So yeah, if you want to join us, click the link at the bottom. Don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already, please and thank you. Please and thank you. Hit that subscribe if you're new as well. And yeah. Uh, who's that? Oh, never mind. And it's halted down. Woo, from $6. Yeah, there you go. So when it's bumping like that into a supply zone, especially, again, the red zones are there for a reason. So it's halted down. So take those monies and run, please. $50 million, and then I'll say, we actually better up the listing, Wes. Yep. Oh yeah. Like the companies don't give a damn. Like how does it affect them if they're getting their monies anyways? Right? Give them their monies and they're happy. That's why these companies are so open to like doing offerings and everything else. um, is because unless you like you're being held accountable, right? Unless you're like a company like Nvidia, Microsoft, Tesla, right? Like these companies have like investors. Like these companies have investors on Wall Street, big name investors, right? Mutual funds, retirement funds that invest in Microsoft and all of these companies, right? And the CEOs, like the compensation packages are directly correlated to the company doing well. Like unless the company's success is tied to the stock, the companies don't give a damn, right? These penny stocks, like the CEOs are paying themselves every week, every month, every year, millions of dollars. If they need cash, they just go ahead and do the offering because who is even holding the damn stock? The only person that's holding the stock is retail and shorts. So like what's gonna happen? They don't really care. So you have to be very careful when you're damn handling these garbage companies, right? Think of it. Adam Aaron gets paid 20 something million a year. Adam Aaron gets paid 20 something million a year. Can somebody tell me what he actually does? I mean, right? You know what I mean? So, yeah, anyways. And $34 million? Exactly, right? There's compensation packages, there's this, there's that. He got paid $34 million last year. $34 million. And the stock still went to the abyss. Like, for what? Did he bring any real value to the company? I don't know. Anyways, maybe he did, maybe he didn't. Oh well. Right. Yeah, exactly, virus, exactly, right, exactly. So, uh, let's go, Giovanni. Let's go. Let's go. Perfect. Na, 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 na. There we go. Josh is another one. Let's go. Oh my goodness. My goodness. Yeah, it looks like the markets are stalling a little bit as we go into lunchtime, which is expected, right? So into lunchtime, people are taking their gains and going to get burgers. Well, steaks, steaks for lunch. I need to close out these tickets, don't I? I like that you guys use yeah, I like that you guys use like the HT signal chat HT channel, guys, right? Like if you have any I'm glitching generic questions, just ask HTGPT in Discord. So for example, like Claudia was asking in Discord, like can you give me a short summary of the book The Zen Trader, and it gave a really nice summary. So like if you want a summary of a book, you're like, hey, can you give me a summary of Market Wizards? Can you give me more, a summary, but go into details, right? It's going to give you a beautiful summary. Like, take advantage of it. So instead of reading a book, just go get the summary of the book, right? That's very cool. So I like it a lot. So again, that channel is the ChatGPT channel in Discord. So it's HTGPT. Um, take advantage of it. Take advantage. Let's go, Lauren. Thank you, thank you. Let's go, let's go. Much love. Pizza and lemon pepper wings. Ooh, that sounds amazing. And my daughter with me when let's go, Giovanni. That sounds amazing. Some father and daughter time. Yeah, at least you sold at 7 cents. At least, yeah, Wes, honestly, sometimes you just have to get rid of it because it gets worse. It always gets worse. Because now you would need 100% move from the abyss to get back to 7 cents. Oh my goodness. Can you imagine that? No, thank. LPTV. LPTV. Let's go. LPTV. Loop Media. Ooh, that thing has a nice little potential breakout there at 1330. Raven. Okay. Potential breakouts. That was a nice easy chart to read too, isn't it? Nice easy monies on this one too, right? Break below, slow curl, and then boom skis. Now you just have a double top there, right? It's at resistance. It needs to break out. It needs to break about 1330, right? Because you missed the bottom already on that play. Yeah, looks like it's consolidating up the 50 as usual. Right off 80 cents, huh? 80 cents. Uh, AZTR. Okay, sounds good. There goes 90 cents again. Jose, what's your question? Your next resistance is 91, and then it's 90 all the way in the high 90s for PMEC. PMEC. Yeah, 80 cents. Uh, there you go. 91. AVGL. Yeah, the entire market cooked today, Wes. Cooked. It's a good day in the market. It's a good day. It's a good day. The only thing that hasn't cooked today is Bitcoin. Josh, can you make that phone call? We need BTC to cook, you know? That's the only thing that's left. That's the only thing. You need 3 more weeks? Oh my goodness. Okay, fine. Yep, exactly, virus. Isn't it funny how that changes, you know? Done. I can load up one last time into the holidays. Okay, nice. Very nice, Josh. Taxis. Money's back. Uh, I'm just trying to decide if I want to do. Anyways, I've made myself some rules. Very important, Joe. Very, very important. No fear, no emotions. Exactly, virus. Joe, absolutely, yeah. Mm, perfect. Dennis the Menace. Good morning, Sly. Ayo. And just 20 days with this rotation. 20 days. He's just a menace, Josh. La 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 la. 90% chance there'll be a rate cut today. I don't know. I really hope so. I really hope so. The market is for sure pricing it in. Yeah, the market is pricing it in. So I hope so. Or I hope there's like an inkling of like, that happening. Just at least some type of like something. Something. You know? Something. Uh for a rate cut today, Virus. Yeah, the market is for sure pricing it in. I think what people are hoping that he says is a rate cut coming in September. Right, September, like pointing towards not today, like not today. The market isn't looking at today. The market is looking at September and then end of the year. So two rate cuts this year is what they're pricing in. So yeah. So the market is looking for like yeah. The market is looking for like any type of hope that they leave it the same today, but then like going forward they cut it. So Powell better come on and not say the stupid stuff he always says, like, oh, but it depends on the data, man. The market is gonna get slapped really quickly, very quickly. There goes the double top guys on PMEC here. That's a nice donk. PMEC. It's a nice comeback. No, I think the chances of a rate hike are at zero. Actually, you know what I should do? Uh, uh, There you go. $1 break. $1 break. September. What I'm gonna do? I'm gonna fix my my one-on-one calendar, so then it opens up more spots. Because then you guys are having to, yeah. I'll fix that. Mm. uh, yeah. Um, yeah, that was a really good run. It's a nice curl back up. So if you got into that, congratulations. MUHA is back above $1 too. So uh, NCNC is still at 27 cents. Yup. TBIO slapped to the abyss. Music, if it's yes, yeah, exactly, Josh, exactly, yeah. Uh, yes. Okay, perfect, Josh. Good. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, good. Yeah. I really just want to see what happens when I end the stream because that's usually when I get a message. So when I end the stream today, I want to see what happens. Uh, I just want to. Buddy. Using the background, a theme song. Perfect. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Question for the gold members, though. Question, guys. Before we hop off in like 5 minutes, what do you guys think of like? What do you guys think of like 30-minute one-on-ones? But then like more of them. Like if we did 30-minute one-on-ones, you would most like you would have one a week. Like we would chat every single week. What do you guys think of that? If especially if you're a gold member, just okay. Uh, uh, yes. Okay. Okay. Deal. Yeah. Perfect. 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 Sounds like a plan. With these 16-hour days, there's another eight. I know, I know, I know. Yep. Do you also ask people questions? Do you see where they're at, or what do you understand? Yeah, yeah. When I do one-on-ones, like a lot of it is like the first half of it is just me understanding. Like I know it's not all about like technicals, so I don't want to sit there and talk to you about technicals the whole time because that's 30% of it. So yeah, the other like is me understanding like where you're actually at, like You know, like, what do you do for a living? Like, what type of trading do you like? You know, like, how long have you been doing this? Like, just random stuff like that. You know, just getting to know you initially, and then yeah, I think that's important too, because then maybe something stands out. You know. Good. So if you just became a if you just became a gold member today or this week or anything like that, please make sure you pay attention to the gold channel today, because I'm going to open that up, and then you're most likely going to have a whole bunch of sessions like next week and stuff like that. Alrighty, so yeah, for next week. Cool. So then everybody should get in sessions like next week. Everybody, alrighty. Like, if we're doing 30-minute slots, easy, 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 easy. Especially for the new people, like, just build the foundation and then go from there. And if we need to increase it in the future to like 45 minutes again, I mean, we've like, it's always been like, yeah, 45 minutes to an hour is what it's been. But yeah, then we can be a bit more efficient, you know. So when you come to your one-on-one, just be ready. Yeah. No, like, I do one-on-ones. It's one thing to do a one-on-one, and like it's one thing to see your name on YouTube, because then I know you guys. Like, if I see you every day and you chat every day, I feel like I know you, you know. So that's really cool. But it's another thing to like actually have a conversation with somebody, because some of these people are very cool, very genuine people, very, like, you know, which is amazing. So it's one thing to chat and me talk all day, but it's another thing to chat with somebody. Like, it's very cool. Uh, oh, thank you. Connected laptop phone. When I go back to Discord, it doesn't show connected. Let me watch educational videos. Hmm. Why does it say you're not a? Disconnect? Yeah, it looks like you have two different emails. There you go. Let's go, Laura. Yeah, so there you go. Nice little sell off there. Hmm. Looks like my connection is about to cut off. Already. Yeah, absolutely. Alrighty, guys, we're gonna leave it here for today. Unless you guys have any last questions, we're gonna be in stock general as usual. So see you guys there. Smash a like before you go. Hit that subscribe if you're new. If you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbot. Come join us. Alrighty. Cool, 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 cool. Yeah, click the link at the bottom. Come join us. Let's go. Have a wonderful day as well, Raven. Enjoy the how are the mushrooms? Let's go, Nitro. Let's go, let's go. Have a wonderful day, Nitro. And see you guys in Discord. Much love all. Thank you too, Giovanni. Again, we're gonna be in Discord, and then one sec, we're gonna be back we're gonna be back today for Powell, by the way. Right, so we're coming back. We're coming back right before 2 p.m. Alrighty, right before 2 p.m. We're gonna be back, guys. Alrighty. Amazing. Made a bacon. Let's go. That sounds amazing, Raven. Sounds amazing. And Ross Dennis. So yeah, we're gonna be back later today for Powell, and then we have big earnings coming up at the close today, right? So we're gonna be back for sure, for sure, for sure. Alrighty, so make sure you come back because we're going to be back 2 p.m. Eastern time. 2 p.m. Eastern, a few minutes before, because that's when the minutes come out and then the markets go crazy. And then Powell is going to be speaking, and then Meta and all these other companies have earnings. So it's going to be a crazy afternoon. So we'll catch you guys later today. Alrighty, y'all. Much love. See you soon. Bye, guys.